This is PowerDirector version 17. Let's see how to blur out the static portion of the image, so no motion tracking will be used here. Okay, to blur, let's go here to the FX button and search for blur. Just type it in. Okay, now drag this Gaussian blur and drop it below the video track. Okay, that's the video track and that's the blurring track. Okay, so as you can see, the video itself is blurry now, and only this portion will be blurred out, and after that, let's say here, this portion is not blurred out and the time and date is visible. Okay, so to blur out the entire content of this clip, let's move the blurring exactly to the end of that clip. Okay, now let's customize this blurring effect because we don't want to blur everything, only the corner. So double click this Gaussian blur layer. Okay, let's increase the degree to the maximum so that we can clearly see what's happening. And let's use this mask. Click on mask and this window appears, and on this one let's resize that blurring to the corner only, like so, and close it with OK. Only the corner is blurred, the edge is very visible, so let's make it smoother with this gradient depth. Okay, now it's not visible, the edges are not that visible. Okay, to make this window disappear, just click outside here, and that's it. So if I play the video, then this portion is blurred out, and after that it will disappear and another video will be played, like so. Okay, that's how to blur out a static portion of video inside PowerDirector version 17. Thanks for watching and bye bye.